Hello everyone, this is Karen and this is my house plant, ZZ plant, and they are growing beautiful right now. I love it that they look like plastic. They look fake because the shiny leaves very thick. They are also a very easy growing house plant. I put them also in my patio together with my other house plants for the growing season, and then I will be transferring them inside during winter. So I'm just gonna so I just want to show you the close-up look with this plant. It is very tall, probably 3 feet tall. You can see the leaves right here. They are very shiny. Yeah, they look fake because they look like plastic actually. Same as this one. They look fake. And the leaves are very thick too, which I love about. So this one also likes a bright location, and I also fertilize them with a slow release fertilizer. So why they're growing crazy like that. They are very beautiful and low maintenance house plants. They don't like to be watered very often. So only if they're very dry, that's when you water them. So this is my other house plant. This is philodendron. I grow them inside the house during winter and then transfer them outside in the spring, summer, and fall. And they love it on my patio. They grow fast. The leaves are nice and green, and it's very easy to grow. Fertilizing them, just put a slow release fertilizer and you're good to go. So they also like bright sunny location. So I just want to show you my philodendron plants. So today I'm just gonna show you my Schefflera house plants. Like I mentioned before, all my house plants I bring them out in the spring, summer, and fall in the patio, so they get lots and lots of sunlight. And then winter time I will transfer them again inside the house. So this is huge. You can see they grow fast when they get a lot of light, not direct light though. In this patio right here they get morning sun. That's about it, morning sun and a lot of bright light. So they need a lot of light or else they're gonna look wimpy and lumpy. So that's why they're growing huge right now. And I also fertilize them with slow release fertilizer. I only water them if I can see the soil here is dry, because usually the rain will take care of it. They are very beautiful, very healthy, and very easy to grow actually. So you can see the difference. Well, I can see the difference from when I grew they were inside the house and after I put them outside in my patio. So if you live in a cold climate and you have a Schefflera, it's nice to put them outside during growing season so they can store energy during winter, and then just transfer them inside in a bright sunny location like in the front of the window. So they get because they need because they like a bright light, area, so in front of the window. So that's it. thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.